welcome to my channel. This is a video instruction on how to attach the cuff that I've prepared onto the shorts. So I'm going to flip over my shorts. I'm going to start very close to the inseam of the shorts. I'm going to insert my hook and also insert my hook into the working loop of the cuff. And I'm going to pull it through. You just insert through both the shorts and the cuff, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then pull it through the loop that is on your hook to slip stitch. I'm going to do just a few more. And as I'm going, I'll be gently pulling on it so it will wrap all the way around, and then we'll join and attach it to the starting piece of the cuff. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to slip stitch all the way around, and then I'll meet you back here when I'm ready to attach it to the beginning of the cuff. Now what I'll do is pull out my hook, and I'm going to go in through the other side and pull it through. So I'll insert it right here on the end, go underneath the stitch, grab the yarn, and I'm going to tug on this so I'll be able to pull it through. I'm going to turn this just slightly and pull that through on this side. Now we'll be able to join both of them. First, I'm going to pull my hook back out and then go through on this side of the cuff. I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch on the end and go under both loops on each cuff. Grab the open loop and pull it through. Then I'm going to go into the next stitch and go underneath. Grab the yarn and pull it through, then pull it through to slip stitch it. And I'll repeat this again. This is just the yarn that I weaved in, and I'll cut this just a little more so that it doesn't show. Go into the last stitch and go underneath, grab the yarn and pull it through, then pull it through to slip stitch it. Okay, so we've secured the bottom all the way around with slip stitches. So now I'm going to pull a good portion of yarn. You don't want to come up short. I'm going to thread my needle. You see how I've stitched all the way around the top, but you don't see the stitches underneath. This is because I only went under the middle of the double crochet stitch on the shorts. So I'm going to insert my needle and just go through the middle of the double crochet stitch. And I'm going to come back up right here. I'm going to pull it through. Now you don't see where I've stitched. It's right here, but you can't see it. But it's still attached to the shorts. I'm going to go into the next stitch of the cuff and only go through to the middle of the double crochet stitch, then come back up through the cuff and pull the yarn through. Again, when I turn it over, you don't see it, but the cuff is still attached to the shorts. So just continue all the way around until you reach the beginning, and you can tie off and weave in your ends. Okay, down here I'm just going to tie off. And then I'll just bring it underneath. And kind of weave in that in there. Alrighty. And now I have the little cuff on there, and you can't see the inside, only on the edge of the cuff. So if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below, and I hope you have an amazing day.